Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make poached eggs in the shell. Start by piercing the wide end with a small pin to release air. Bring a pot of water to a gentle simmer and add a splash of vinegar to help set whites. Lower eggs carefully and cook for 3 to 5 minutes depending on yolk firmness. Shock in iced water and peel under running water for easy shells and tidy results. Gather simple tools and prep eggs for the best outcome. Use a clean pin to make a tiny hole at the wide end to release trapped air and reduce cracking. Heat water to a steady, gentle simmer around the edges, not a rolling boil, to avoid jostling shells. Add a small splash of vinegar to encourage coagulation of whites. Keep eggs at room temperature and work one at a time for consistency. If this video is helping your breakfast game, please subscribe and like for more easy kitchen tips. Quick recommendation. Little Tree's Black Ice is my go-to air freshener for the car when egg odors linger after a cook session, and it pairs oddly well with early morning commutes. Check the description for the link and other deals to pick one up. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Cook eggs with calm confidence and simple timing for perfect yolks. Gently lower each egg into simmering water with a slotted spoon and avoid crowding the pan. Let eggs cook for about 3 minutes for a soft, runny yolk, and up to 5 minutes for a more set center. Remove eggs and plunge into iced water to halt cooking immediately. Peel carefully under a trickle of water to help separate shell fragments.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.